Hi everyone, today I am going to explain you a Python program to find factorial of a number using recursion. So as we all know, factorial is a basic math. So what is meant by recursion? So recursion is a recursive function is a function calling by itself is called as a recursive function. So first for that we need to define a function, right? So we are defining a function fact of recursion. We are passing then n, and if that n is equal to 1, as we know that fact of 0 is 1, fact of 1 is 1, factorial of 0 is 1, factorial of 1 is 1. So we'll be returning a 1. Else here comes into picture our recursive function written n multiplied by factorial of recursion of n minus 1. As the factorial of 5, we'll be calculating as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So now we need to take the input. N is equal to int of input, enter the number. So as we are taking the input from the console, it will be returned as a string, but we want it as an integer, hence we are calling int function here. Okay. And the possibility that if n is less than 0, we need to print that factorial can't be found for a negative number. Else if, so we'll be using elif in Python. So we'll be printing if it is equal to, if n is equal to 0, we'll be printing that the factorial of 0 is 1. Else we'll be printing that the factorial of our given number, so which is n, and is, so we'll be calling our function here, whatever we have written, user defined function, passing n as an argument. So this is all about finding the factorial of a number using recursion. We are taking a number as an input. We are checking for all the three conditions. If n is less than 0, we are directly displaying that a negative number can't find a factorial. If n is equal to 0, we'll be printing that factorial of 0 is 1. If it is any other positive number, we'll be trying to call it fact underscore recursion recursive function. Okay, so let us run it. So it is asking for the input. Here the input is, let us give us 6, enter. So the factorial of 6 is 720. Okay, so let us rerun it. When you rerun it, let us check by giving a negative number. So I'm giving -1. So what I want to display now, I want factorial can't be found for a negative number. So let us rerun it.